The Three Yellow Birds production. The Power of SmashBurger. Let's go on a hike.
Okay.
Let's bring our neighbor.
Okay, let's get him.
Hey, I heard your message. Let's go.
Finally at the top.
What should we do now? Oh, look, I found this beautiful flower.
Oh no, the volcano is erupting.
What should we do?
I don't know. Run?
Ah!
Oh no, Daryl fell.
Oh no, I dropped my flower. And now it's burning in the lava of the volcano. Daryl, are you okay?
Are you?
I'll call 911. Give me a second. Let's get my phone out.
Okay.
Hello? Hello, this is Annie.
Why do you still have a flip phone?
Let's go to SmashBurger. I'm hungry. And besides, the cops are lazy, so let's just go.
Okay. I'm hungry. Bye. 2 hours later.
We're back.
Are they here yet?
You want some SmashBurger?
Might make you feel better. Okay, let's give you some.
We're coming. This walk is long. Jeez.
We're still coming. Still coming. Still coming. Almost there. Want
Here you go.
Here you go.
Yum. This SmashBurger is good. I
Good,
feel
thanks.
better.
Good.
Want
Okay.
some?
Yeah, give me my SmashBurger.
There's only half of it left. Why do you want it?
I don't know.
Oh well.
The end.
SmashBurger.